Hey everyone, it's Logan with Social Burst. Let me show you a quick example of a landing page that we built for Prestine cleaning services. So overall, it's a clean website that is just meant to be a landing page to drive a conversion or drive interest or get a contact. So what we did is we set up two different call to actions. One would be get an estimate where it takes you to a form, quiz style to fill out. And then the second is text us now. So users can fill out one of these two forms, whether here or clicking here, or if they want to go to the main estimate form, they can do that down here. And then they can go through and fill out the form. From there, this information now gets texted to the business owner as well as put into the CRM so they can go about following up with that deal. So once again, this is just a really simple, clean landing page. Our entire goal here is to get someone onto the page from sort of marketing plan, whether that's ads, SEO, social media, word of mouth, whatever that is. Drive traffic to this page, show them what is being offered, what type of services, where, more detail about it, and then as well as going into the detailed services, what is offered once again, and then just kind of going down to your reviews, and then showing some before and afters, some inside pictures of what's going on. And then once again, the main call to action, which is get an estimate quiz. So this form, once again, gets filled out by the user that is landing on the page. Then that form gets put into the CRM as well as text message to the business owner so they can go about following up with this client. And the cool thing that we did set up for this website is anytime someone submits one of these forms to contact the business, whether it's a text us or a get an estimate, the user will get an automated message saying, hey, this is Luxury Pristine Cleaning. How can we help you? Or, hey, we saw you just filled in a get an estimate form. We'll be reaching out shortly. So it's very cool. We set up an SMS automation to do that. But overall, once again, this is just a real simple website that we set up for a landing page to drive people to that call to action, which is once again, get an estimate or text us. And then from there, it's put into the CRM and automations are sent to start the sales process.